What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Feria. Thank you for clicking the video to check it out. Today I'm going to be reviewing the DJI Mavic Mini 2. So as you can see, I already opened it up and I already flew it a couple times. I couldn't wait. This is not an unboxing video, but pretty much I'm gonna give you my thoughts on it. So I'm gonna get this thing out, show you guys the drone, some cool features it has. It is a really windy day outside, so we're gonna put this little drone to test and see how you guys like it, okay? Okay, so first thing first about this little drone that I absolutely love is this little propeller protector that comes on it. Alright, so you get it out of the bag. It's extremely small. And just for size comparison, here's my phone. This is an iPhone 12. It literally covers the drone. Just so you guys can get an understanding of the size. So, it is super small, nothing's flopping around, and I love it. So what you're gonna wanna do, I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. I'm gonna place that like that. Oh, here we go, I got two hands. This is pretty cool. All right, I'm just holding it on my neck strap. So you're gonna wanna do, just pop that open. All right, and now the drone is free from its restraints. Slide that guy. Slide this one the same. And then these bottom ones here, they're actually gonna flip out and flip out. There you have the drone in its full form. It's pretty cool. So now you have the gimbal protector that's on here. So to pop that guy off, let me just show you here. Let me see. Okay, there's the gimbal protector. You're just gonna wanna grab it from the bottom here, pop that guy off, and your gimbal is free and ready to go. All right, it is super windy out here today, so this is gonna be a good test to see if this guy could handle this strong wind here. I'm here at a park, safe area to be doing this, far away from people. I am not a professional by any means. Okay, so next in the bag, if you got the Fly More combo, which I suggest you do, is the remote. Now this remote is pretty awesome. On the bottom here, you have the joysticks that you take out. You can screw in here. That's just so you can put it away smoothly without the joysticks getting in the way. All right. Let's see, this top part here, you grab it, open it up like that, and that's actually your antenna, but that's also where you hold your phone to fly it. Here you have a power on button, your 3 different modes. So you have cine, normal, and sport. Return to home, a function button, a little photo button, photo and record button, and this is to control the gimbal and the your view of the camera. So down and up on the camera. There's that. So what's different between the Fly More combo and just purchasing the drone normally? The Fly More combo is pretty cool because you get this here. Sorry, my camera's on my strap. You get this here, which is, let me show you. So this is the charger for your 3 batteries. But what's really cool about it is there's a line in and a line out. So you would charge it here through the USB-C, but it also doubles as like a battery bank, right? So you could power this on and have a line out and charge your phone or charge something that you need. So this is really cool. These batteries last forever. I get about 30 good minutes each battery, so we're looking at an hour and a half here, which is pretty great. So we have this. It also comes with extra propellers in this little portion here, and different chargers, because if you look here, let me show you that. I didn't show you that. If you look right here, you unplug this guy, and there's your cable to plug your phone in to the remote. It comes with the lightning port, which I have an iPhone, so that works great. But if you have any other device, such as a Samsung or something like that, that is USB-C or something, it comes with it in the Fly More kit. So you would just unplug the lightning port one and plug the new one in that you would need for your phone. So we have the remote, the charger slash battery bank, which is super awesome. We have the drone. Even when it's opened up like this, it is still small, which is why I got it. It's awesome. And then last thing in here, let me show you guys the extra propellers and things like that. Let's open this guy up. And here's your extra cables and all your extra propellers. And you also have an extra those extra joysticks that are down there come in this pack here. All right, so I'm still trying this by myself. I just have the strap. But here we're gonna actually get the setup now and start to fly it. So we're just gonna take the joysticks out of there, screw it in here. It's not usually this difficult. This is just me being difficult. Okay, let's get the other one. And like I said, it comes with extra, so if you lose them, which I probably end up will, you're good. So now you go, you got the remote. Also, you're gonna need the DJI Fly app, and that's what you're gonna use to see what your drone is seeing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna pop out my phone, get it on here, plug it in, and then I will show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so one thing that I don't really like that much about the remote setup is I have to offset my phone a good amount, so these aren't hitting my volume buttons and this isn't hitting my power button. It's really not a big deal. It still feels good in the hand, it still feels sturdy, like it's not gonna fall off, but that's just a little, you know, little thing that I have with it, but it's not the end of the world. So what you're gonna wanna do to turn on the remote is you're gonna wanna tap this power button once and then hold it down. Boom, the remote is now on. And you're gonna wanna do that same exact thing with the drone. So here it is, you're gonna wanna tap that once and then hold it down. I currently don't have a battery in it yet, I'm still setting this up. But pretty much all you're gonna wanna do is connect your drone here. It's super, super simple. DJI makes it very simple. And then you're off to fly, so I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now it's asking me to connect aircraft. So all I'm gonna do is select the aircraft that I have, DJI Mini 2. Okay, alright, just so you know that no one's perfect, I made a rookie mistake and I was wondering why this wasn't working. I didn't even plug in my phone. So this is what you're gonna be seeing. Other than me, all you can see is me. Pretty much you're just seeing what the drone is seeing. Okay, so I just had to calibrate it for the first time. I don't know why, but it was pretty simple. And now it says on the screen, takeoff permitted, everything's normal. So we are good to go. So this has auto fly features and auto landing and all that. So I'll just show you what that looks like. Alright, this is it taking off on itself, by itself. It's fighting the wind pretty good, but the image looks super stable and beautiful. You can't see that, but here's the drone. Alright, and then I'm going to throw some test footage in there as well so you guys can see the quality of the drone. So the first battery is finally dead. Man, this thing lasts forever. I have two more. I don't even know if I would finish it. But hopefully you guys saw those test shots. They're pretty cool. And this thing is it's just a lot of fun to fly. Some surprisingly great quality coming from this little drone. And it's super, I mean, compact. You could bring it anywhere, do anything. So my final thoughts, this drone is awesome. You know, so if you have the money, I highly suggest it. If you don't, save up a little bit, you know, and don't think that just because you're getting, you know, a smaller, cheaper drone, that it's not as capable, because this thing is extremely capable and a lot of fun. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please click subscribe if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed the content. If you didn't, don't worry about it, but thank you so much for watching. See you next time.